Oh my God! Hi Digvijay! Huge
sir.
congratulations! Good evening! Fantastic meeting you. कैसा है तुम्हारा तबीयत कैसा है?
ठीक है, sir.
When you were going, you were not well.
Yes, sir. I was high with fear.
Huge congratulations!
Thank you, sir.
For your recommendation.
Thank you, sir.
You remember जब तुम आए थे?
Sir.
चलो, let's meet others also. So that time you were telling sir ये वाला नहीं तो अगली बार में करूँगा.
Yes, sir.
Great. चल, let's give a surprise to these guys also. Hi friends, just see who has come. Give him a huge compliments. He's got through.
Thank you.
It was sir. I'm so proud.
Thank you, sir.
Chalo. Rest later on. You can keep meeting.
Yes, sir.
Just second. Now I've got a good news. Friends, some of you may know him. He was taking classes. What's his name? Digvijay sir. Give him a huge clap because he's got recommended in his second attempt. Of course, since he's going to stay here, he'll be meeting you more often. And like you, he was my student. Then I invited him to join my digital team, and he learned so well that today he has produced. I would like you to give a few words. बाद में तो मिलता ही रहेगा उनसे.
Sure.
चलो, you want a mic or something? No,
Nice.
okay.
So basically, I have joined here on 2nd May 2025 only. First as a student, and then I became a part of team of Gurudeva. But I think throughout this procedure, I have learned so many things. I was like you. I was sitting here. Mohit was there when I was student. So they have seen me. We were doing all the things which I have been taught, all the procedure which GDA has taught. And in this process, you just have to keep trust in the process. Whatever has been told, whatever has been taught to you, just go with it. And I'm very sure that it helps in the SSB. This is my second attempt. So if you go there, you follow the instructions, you learn from the mistakes which have been told by your mentors, assessors who are taking the task, taking the things, then you will definitely make it. So that's the only advice I will give.
Right now, भाषण तो बहुत देगा ये, but take his words because he is the recent, he is the latest. Just about 5 days back, he has been recommended. So I keep calling these people so that they can, and your problems are exactly like his problems. You think his stories are very good? You think he was speaking the best of interview? You think it was this chashma? I must show you his old chashma. He put on chashma like this. Amitabh Bachchan, Purana wala, itna bada sa. Everything matters. How you walk, how you talk, how you conduct. And you come here to change your psychology, to improve upon your psychology, and make your parents proud. So once again, a huge hand for him, after which he'll come and keep talking with you.
Thank you.
कहाँ भागे जा रहे हो? आराम से चलो. तो ये बताओ, you informed your parents and all.
Yes, sir, I have informed.
All right. So who picked up?
Because I called my mom. I knew that they both will be together because it was early morning.
And by the time you entered the SSB, तुम्हारा बुखार कम हो गया था?
No, sir, I was very high with fever.
Oh, bloody.
So I gave my PPDT OIR in that same condition. I took medicine early morning.
Achha.
And sir, after completion of whole first day, it was psych test in the evening.
Achha.
Then they asked me if anyone have medical issues, and then
if anybody has
medical issues, and then they took me to the hospital in the SSB facility.
Am I wrong?
Yes, sir. And then I got medication from there.
Right,
So,
right.
whole 5 days I was on medication.
So, कैसा लगा? मतलब, how was this? Were you expecting after 1 or 2 days that?
On second day, sir, I was expecting that I should get recommended because psych test was good, interview was good.
So, how was it different from the first one?
Sir, the first time I got screened out.
Right.
So at that time, I had made some mistakes, which I realized as soon as I got my result.
थोड़ा धीरे. I'm going to take you to Colonel Chauhan.
Yes, sir.
So, just see who is there with you.
Hey, so nice to see you.
Thank you, sir.
Great. कब आया?
मैं आज आया सर सुबह.
Fantastic.
So, shall we grill him a little bit?
2 interviewing officers. Yes, sir.
चलो, तुम इधर आ जाओ.
So Ranjit, I was really speaking to you for so many days. यार इसका कोई खबर नहीं आया, खबर नहीं.
No, that night I spoke. That night I was awake till 12 o'clock.
हाँ.
मैंने कहा कि ये लटक तो नहीं सकता.
I know.
अब तो 100% है, लेकिन why is he not? But then I realized that probably sometimes you don't get the thing is not charged.
I vaguely recollect that you had put out a message somewhere which said बदमाशी कर. I said, yeah, probably he's doing that purposely to give us a surprise
मैं
at the
लिखने
end of the day.
मैं लिखने वाला तो कुछ और था, बट शराफत आ गई मैंने. Okay, I want to know certain things, and this is for the thousands of candidates who would be appearing and would be wanting to know. First of all, I'm hugely happy and thankful to God that your effort has made. ये बताओ, what was the difference between your getting screened out first time when you were not with us? Then you came as a student and but you are preparing for digital. You are not attending our classes and all more.
Marketing team here.
Yes, sir. So
तो क्या डिफरेंस आया, कैसे डिफरेंस आया, तुमने क्या किया उसमें, और क्या करना चाहिए प्रिपरेशन के लिए?
sir, basically when I got first time screened out first time, the problem was I was not able to control the group. I wasn't able to read the room and control the group dynamics.
Okay.
Everyone started shouting.
हाँ.
I got somewhere a point where everyone was down, but I wasn't able to take the lead. And I should have taken it, but I didn't. I hesitated maybe, or I came back.
This you are talking about
First attempt.
first attempt when you could not make it.
Yes, sir. My narration was good, but group discussion was absolutely terrific. It wasn't good at all.
Uh-huh.
So that, I think that was the point where I knew that I am getting screened out.
Oh.
Because
And that feeling must have.
but final narration was given to me.
Achha.
So somewhere I was having that maybe I stand a chance.
In
that
fact, if you had participated even once or twice,
Once.
Not twice, I think, yeah.
But
and once or twice, that participation also chao.
but none of my group member was able to give 1 point.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay. So that was that about screening. So you were as good as new,
yes, sir.
Yeah.
because second stage is. So how did the psychology go, and what preparations did you do to make sure to get that? How many tats?
So psychology, I would say it was this time my stronghold,
Okay.
because even last day Sinha sir made me appear in the last test. He said, I don't want to hear anything from you. You are going to sit in the test. You are going to write that test, and I am going to check it.
एक बात याद रखना फौज में. We too have spent more than 34 years in the armed forces. Oh, ढीले ढाले काम नहीं होते यार.
Yes.
The training has to be top class.
The more you sweat, the better result.
The more you sweat in peace,
The less you.
the less you bleed in war.
Oh, yeah.
So
sir,
that's what.
This was my. I was writing that हम टैट के क्लास में इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हैं साइक का टेस्ट के टाइम कि write the number of tests you are doing. So one boy was sitting next to me and he I was writing 9. आपके 9 टेस्ट हो गए? Yes, this is my 9th test, 9 psych test. So that was level की 9 दे चुका था. So I was knowing what are the mistakes, and last 3 tests went well.
And
That-
group captain was his एंड देशना वो तो तुम्हारे कलीग्स हैं.
Yes, sir.
Because वहाँ एक ही रूम में तुम लोग रहते हो.
Yes, sir.
So you could clear your doubts 100 times.
Yes, sir. So I was able to talk. I was able to get feedback on each sentence, like where I'm lacking. Start में क्या गड़बड़ हो रही है, story के middle में क्या गड़बड़ हो रही है, steps में क्या गड़बड़ हो रही है. Somewhere I was missing on conclusion.
और जितना टेस्ट दोगे उतना ही परफेक्ट होगे.
Absolutely.
And every time what I did was I.
Most important is your writing speed and writing in time.
Yes, sir.
And to the point.
15% तो एडवांटेज है जिसका राइटिंग स्पीड अच्छा है.
Well,
Yes, sir. My writing speed was good, but problem was my story quality was not that good. And every time I improved on that. My VAT, the first test I gave, Sinha sir has just crossed every sentence in my VAT. He's like, what is this? You have not understood the concept. But he sat with me for almost 3 hours. And we had discussion on phone as well. He checked each and every word.
And,
Even group captain was told me how to write.
घर पे इसका इंटरव्यू लिया है मैंने.
He took my interview in his home as well.
Okay, so what's your two-liner about psychology for the preparation for the people who are listening?
Yeah.
So I would say in psychology you have to practice very well. Either you have to be very super brilliant that you go in first attempt and give psychology and you get clear, or you have to be very much putting hard work and you have to give multiple tests. You have to practice it, get it debrief from someone who is experienced, and then you have to work on those
So I
mistakes.
think I would
And-
probably correct you here. I think what is most important is to understand the concepts.
Ha.
What is expected out of a candidate as far as your writing is
Yes, that is also important.
And then practice is a must.
Just
Chao.
in writing and see how.
Because theory is different.
Yes,
Practical when it comes, are you able to apply yourself?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So Vag sir told me everything. Group captain was like how you have to improve, what is expected out of that
That's
stories.
right, that's
So when you see that picture for 30 seconds, he told me how you have to observe that picture, not only just how to write the story.
अरे यार,
Very
it is
minute details.
it is exactly like when you are learning the concepts of mathematics in class 12.
बिल्कुल.
तो टीचर ने समझा दिया तो समझा देने से 100 में 100 नहीं आ जाता.
नहीं आ जाता.
I have scored 98
Yeah.
out of 100. That is because I started loving mathematics, and then when you practice anything many a
Yeah,
times,
yeah.
you develop that art of expression.
Different kinds.
है ना, हर चीज का. Okay, so far so good. So then when was your interview? On the same day or
Next day, sir. Immediately,
Next
8 a.m.
you had gone to Bangalore?
No, Dehradun.
Dehradun.
1 FSB Dehradun.
So your psychology was done the same day.
Same day.
Yeah.
Right.
After
Psychology we have
PPT,
spoken.
yes, on same day.
So how many SRTs you wrote?
54, sir.
54. How many words?
60, all 60. I completed
Great,
all 60,
great,
sir. मतलब
great.
मैं जाने से पहले I told it to देशना मैम कि तुम्हारा 60 का 60 हो जाना चाहिए. बहुत सर का भी था कि 60 हो जाना चाहिए. I practice it with 12 seconds here. मैं एक वर्ड 12 seconds से practice करता था.
Very good. Very good.
Let's now talk about another very important aspect, because in SSB people say psychologist important होता है, interviewer important होता है, और वो कुछ नहीं, all three are important.
Yeah.
Right.
Don't think that
एक पे हो गया तो
एक पे हो गया तो दूसरा के. Nobody knows your result
Yeah.
till the last moment in the conference.
Absolutely.
And ethically we maintain no psychologist will share his number to interviewing officer or vice versa or with a GTO. That much ethics we maintain. Right? बहुत लोग बहुत कुछ बात कहते रहते हैं. Don't fall for all that.
Yeah.
Right. So now let's talk about GTO, which is not one thing.
Multiple tasks.
So tell me something about how did your GTO go?
Sir, it started with group discussion. Group discussion, I followed what was taught over here. In first discussion, I opened the discussion. The topic was relevant to my educational background.
Right.
So I talked 3 times, but when I was talking, when I was speaking, everyone was listening, everyone was calm. No other person was
Why
speaking.
does this happen that when you talk, some people listen, some people are listened to, and others कोई नहीं उसकी परवाह करता, पता नहीं क्या बोल रहा है. क्यों कुछ लोगों की बात सुनी जाती है?
So I think you need a quality points.
You
Exactly.
need-
That is the most important thing.
You need
got to know the
factual
topic well
things, you
and
need-
bring out the correct.
And
Yes,
that is
sir.
where Chauhan sir comes.
Yes, sir. His GA classes were
His
there.
general awareness classes, Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, he grills you on the latest.
So sir, we were having topic on GST.
Yeah.
So I was remembering some point out of that, and I got that topic income tax and
Income tax.
tax return. So I just combined those things and I spoke on that topic.
So wherever you are going for your training, they should not only train for TAT, SRT, ये वो एक आध
नहीं, multiple aspect. SSB is not just one thing.
Overall preparation.
Yes.
You know, all the tests are important.
Yeah, all the
Not a
tests.
specific test which is
No,
important.
no, no, no.
ये psychology अच्छा होगा तो मैं हो जाऊंगा.
नहीं. Okay. So, if you start opening in first और second में भी opening करूंगा और किसी को बोलने नहीं दूंगा, सिलेक्शन होना है क्या?
नहीं सर, that won't happen. मेरे में एक था ग्रुप में, he did that. He tried in first time, वो second बन गया. Second time what he did, GTO ने जैसे टॉपिक खत्म किया, he just went on कि लास्ट की लीड सुनी भी नहीं. And GTO said stop. I can understand your eagerness.
I haven't finished it.
हाँ, he said it. I can understand your eagerness. Just let me complete it. So he completed his topic and then we started.
So shall we say that one of the greatest quality also of a leader is his listening ability?
Absolutely.
Yes, sir. Because many people in my group, I felt that they were really good. They were having good chance of getting. But what was happening was they were not listening to others.
नहीं ऐसे थोड़ी चलता है. When you become a lieutenant or a captain or major, you got to listen to your JCOs and your senior NCOs and सुनो सबकी, करो अपनी.
Yes, sir. Even
लेकिन आपको सुनना पड़ेगा because you do not know what is he talking about.
exactly.
And that is one of the trait of a leader. And what we are seeing in group discussion is what? Do you have leadership trait or not?
Yes, sir. So in PGT also this thing happened. Once I broke a rule and I didn't realize it. But one of my member as soon as told me that test number 11 you have broke a rule, I immediately came back.
Yeah,
Right.
I listened
Good
it.
enough.
Yeah.
That's good enough.
that's the team spirit.
Yeah, that is a team spirit. Absolutely. Yeah.
So I said,
I can't see what I am doing, and if
Yeah.
my friend has pointed it out,
yes.
I must rectify it.
I immediately
Okay.
came back.
Good. Very good.
लोग कहते हैं कि छोटे से ग्राउंड में क्या सीख लोगे जीटीओ का.
नहीं सर, जीटीओ के जो बेसिक कंसेप्ट है वो सीख लोगे तो कोई भी ग्राउंड पे तुम परफॉर्म कर लोगे. मेन कंसेप्ट है कि क्या करना है,
क्या करना
व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. अगर ऐसा ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर आता है तो देन व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला.
And
How to approach that particular?
यस, राइट.
and Chau, not only that, how you interact with friends.
That is the most.
Group dynamic is very
You
important.
have to carry the group.
Yes,
with you.
in whole process, I was continuously talking with Colonel Sinha. I was calling and I was saying this is this thing. So I felt that yes, group dynamic matters. And what was happening is that you have to take the group ahead. You can't think of yourself.
Absolutely. Yeah.
In GTO, you have to think of group.
देखो भाई, one thing has to be understood. I would say that you got to carry your group because we are choosing a leader.
Exactly.
You
Right.
cannot choose your platoon.
Yeah.
Did I and you go to our commanding officer and he said कि सर मेरे को best platoon देना?
Never, never. You have to take.
You have to make the platoon best.
Yeah.
You have to make it good.
You
Yes,
have to make
sir.
it good.
और याद रखना, when you take the platoon good, the good of the platoon will also come and the bad of the platoon will also come.
Right.
And you'll have to work with that. So if you can show that dynamic, और हर आदमी में ये बात है,
अरे, बिल्कुल.
लेकिन उसको समझाना पड़ता है and you have to expose it. Don't act. ज्यादा एक्टिंग करोगे पकड़े जाओगे.
Acting वहाँ पे कर ही नहीं सकते.
Change your personality.
Definitely
Start-
get caught.
Carry everybody along.
Ah.
Know each other's weaknesses. Understand where I can use them the best.
Yes.
That's
So
the most
we were
important.
having discussion in a room as well.
Ah.
कि PGT when we had that before PGT we had a discussion कि ये लंबा है,
Ah.
he can go, he can
अच्छा.
jump.
That's very
ये
good.
हल्का है, इसको हम पहले चढ़ाएंगे.
Right.
ये ज्यादा वेट का, इसको लास्ट में लेंगे. So we had that.
So there was a group consensus.
Yes.
So that means you are a leader-like person who, before undertaking a task, plans.
Plans.
Anyway,
Yeah.
यही तो जीवन का रूल है.
Meticulous planning will always help you.
Meticulous planner will always succeed.
Definitely.
So ये छोटी छोटी बात तो ये हो गई. लेक्चरेट का बतलाओ बॉस.
So lecturate में सर मेरा 4 टॉपिक याद है. फर्स्ट टॉपिक था एयरक्राफ्ट कैरियर, सेकंड था न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी, थर्ड था टूरिज्म इन इंडिया, फोर्थ मेंटल हेल्थ. So I was confident to speak on aircraft carrier in India, but it was written just aircraft carrier. So immediately I said that I should then speak of aircraft carrier around the world, and I don't have that enough knowledge. So I said new education policy, and I was having enough data on that. So I had done a
I did a
debate.
lecture on that also.
Yeah,
New education.
new education, and I had done debate in my college over this topic. So I was recollecting
So
this point.
reading a lot of general things
Very important.
Ah.
Very important.
because there is a 1 billion chance that आप 10 को प्रिपेयर करके जाइएगा और उसी 10 में से आएगा.
Right.
ऐसा नहीं है, यहाँ कोई गेस वर्क नहीं चलता.
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
Right, right.
थोड़ा पढ़िए,
You should know what
थोड़ा
is happening
सुनिए।
around India.
And
what's
sir, most
happening in
important thing
India.
in lecture it is
That's
that
very important.
not just knowing the topic, but you should present it in 3 minutes.
Yeah.
You should know how to structure that flow.
Yeah.
कि क्या बताना है क्या नहीं बताना, because you can talk 1 hour on new education policy, but you have to get it into 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Right. So far so good. What about the command task? Sorry, not command task. Your obstacle. How many obstacles could you do?
Sir, I did 9 obstacles.
9.
In high jump, sir, I fell 4 times.
Oh.
You wasted your time there.
Last time when I cleared it, I just dived and whole sand and everything was in my mouth. But I didn't stop. It was 3rd obstacle. I followed the path he showed. So that was thing. If I wouldn't have wasted, I didn't do it, then I would have maybe done all
Okay,
the 10.
okay.
But I did all others.
Yeah, good enough.
Fine. So no, you lacked
Right
one.
for all the.
There were 10 obstacles.
I did 9.
You did 9 is good enough.
Yes.
He also sees कि ठीक है, एक चीज में 4 दफा अटेम्प्ट कर रहा था, छोड़ नहीं दिया।
हाँ.
छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए।
Cool. Your efforts are seen there.
Yes.
How you're tackling it.
So second time I decided कि नहीं ये तो करके जाऊंगा मैं, ये हाई जंप तो आज करके ही जाऊंगा.
Right. So never give up.
हाँ.
Because that is another trait of a soldier being seen.
And 3 times I fall in individual obstacle.
Fell down.
Fell down.
Fell down, yes sir. Once I fell down from 12 feet.
Acha.
But fortunately they have that sand and all everything, so I didn't got injured anywhere.
Yeah.
Yes.
अच्छा अभी ये बताओ स्नेक रेस कैसा रहा?
Snake race was good, sir.
Very enjoyable.
Very enjoyable. It was the most beautiful part of whole SSB. It was when that you got to get those energy,
वहीं
high
पर-
adrenaline rush.
वहीं पर पता चलता है कि आप टीम के लिए काम करते हैं या अपने लिए मरते हैं।
हाँ सर, every time I was in the middle
हाँ.
in snake race,
हाँ.
पहले मैं आगे वालों को पुश करता था, then I used to live who are behind, and snake I didn't carry at any time. I was ensuring that every member is with us.
So ठीक है ना?
Yes.
Leadership quality again.
Once
How
again
you
a
deal with
leadership
your
quality.
people.
Yes.
Right. So gentlemen, know your body.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Ladies and gentlemen, know your body. वहाँ भी अलग अलग तरह के आएंगे, आपको समय मिलेगा एक दिन उसके पहले जरूर, तो अपने ग्रुप में अच्छी तरीके से बात करो कि जब
Make friends, sir. Make friends.
Make friends.
Build up, understanding each other.
And friends will not allow you to get into any stress.
Yes.
और ये झूठा फेक फ्रेंडशिप,
नहीं, fake friendship is not. Make good friends.
तो आदमी बनो यार अभी से।
हाँ.
Me and Chow are friends for more than half a century.
Yes.
Right? Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah. Very
Yes.
rare.
Yes, it's very rare actually. This
And,
friend.
and it's not that we don't differ on things,
Yeah.
but we love each other so much because of we understand, and you got to give space to your friends.
Yes.
You can't be right. Let's get down to interview.
Sir. So
यहाँ जो इंटरव्यू हुए और वहाँ जो इंटरव्यू हुए, क्या फर्क है?
sir, almost same. The CIQ was same. That same formula we use over here. So they asked me in that particular question. 2-3 questions were extra,
वो
but
तो रहेगा ना,
yes, definitely. Yes.
जो आप क्वेश्चन पूछोगे उस पर आएगा क्वेश्चन।
But I was aware कि yes, these 2-3 are extra. I answered it in a sequence.
How do you differentiate कि these 3 questions are different from the standard 6 of them?
हाँ.
किसी न किसी को तो पहचानना पड़ेगा ना आपको।
Yes.
कि मैं अगर चाऊ को पीछे से भी देख लूं तो चाऊ को मैं इतना जानता हूं,
हाँ.
मैं
That
कहूंगा नहीं 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 नहीं, नहीं। ये बंदे के तो बहुत सर पे बाल हैं, ये चाऊ नहीं हो सकता। It is there are hundreds of things.
Yes.
See his walk, I understand. He's so physically fit, right? At his age, half the people are taking this much of medicine. Thank God my friend is absolutely fit, and so am I.
So you are.
And keep yourself fit throughout
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
armed forces. So you were asked, were you grilled too much on general awareness?
No, sir. Not a single question of general awareness or.
But does it mean that you will not prepare general
No, no,
awareness?
sir. I have prepared. I prepared 10 news and 10 news in details.
Yes.
Each news I have written 6 pages. Every detail. Why that news was there. What are the statistics regarding those news and everything. Like I was like in this 10 news. If you ask
What is
me,
the best part of our academy? If you can tell the others.
sir, I would tell
As far
that
as the news is concerned, what do we do?
every week you get news of national, sports, international. They're segregated.
Yeah.
You get and you just have to do it.
Read it. That's
You
it.
just have to do
They
it.
are ready-made.
हाँ,
कल
वो
मैंने publish
परोस
किया।
के दिया है. You just have to eat it properly.
कल मैंने पब्लिश किया है अक्टूबर का।
Yes, sir. I
It
saw
is-
it.
First week of November has not crossed.
Right.
Now you got to choose out of that.
Yeah.
And if you go little more in detail, you can clearly says, sir, I will start with.
That's what the extra effort of student come in.
All the statistics that we are giving you in the news also, they can be used anywhere, yeah.
And
Definitely, sir.
then 4 days a week, Chauhan sir grills you in the morning.
GA class. Yes, sir. And we cover all current topics.
Yeah, we cover
Every current topic is being covered.
And you got to be aware, because if you are not bothered about the country,
Yeah, who else is going to be?
Yes. And
then
you're
the
going
country is not bothered about
As an
you.
officer also, you must know what is happening around you. You
Right.
got to gather information,
Definitely.
you should be able to
We are one of the
and,
largest.
contribute to the discussion that wherever you have,
Yes,
you
sir.
can't be just keeping quiet.
Sitting idle.
Yeah,
And unless you know your nation,
yeah,
you cannot be proud of it.
absolutely.
Definitely.
I can rattle out and Chauhan sir can rattle out. I have known you also. Hundreds of things. America, 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 America लगाए हुए हैं. क्या हाल चाल से? अभी government servants have not got their
They
pay
have
for
got their pay. Army,
35 days.
soldiers are standing in queue for their food. Imagine, even families are coming out.
What is so great about America? उससे बढ़िया तो मेरा देश है. अगर गरीब हैं हम भी गरीब हैं. 80 करोड़ लोगों को खाना खिलाते हैं. भूखे नहीं सुलाते भाई साहब.
Right.
ठीक है? And you got to be proud of these things.
Yes.
And you got to know how much is the economy, how are we doing, क्या कर रहे हैं अभी. कल की बात बतलाता हूँ. Anyway, this is out of preview of this. ये कल इतनी बड़ी बात की हमारे गवर्नमेंट ने कि आप देखिए कितने बड़े बड़े इनोवेशन होंगे. 1 लाख करोड़ put for innovation.
Yeah.
तुम आइडिया दो, पैसा कहाँ से आएगा, गवर्नमेंट विल थिंक अबाउट इट. एंड सेपरेट बॉडी अंडर द मोस्ट एबल पीपल हैव कम and you see the innovation.
And country
भागे.
is known by its innovations. only.
Yes. Right now it's age
But
of
हमारे यहाँ
technology.
तो इनोवेटर भी हैं. वो थोड़े दिन के लिए भाग गए थे अमेरिका. आने दो,
आने दो. Yeah, we don't mind getting.
हम उनको अपने घर में रहेंगे और हम वो इनोवेट करेंगे. हमारे पास लड़के हैं यार काम करने वाले. इसकी तरह
जितने आपके पेटेंट्स हैं ना, हर एक कंट्री
हाँ.
के आप पेटेंट देखो तो समझ जाते हैं कौन सी कंट्री कहाँ.
So like people doesn't know, but right now there is a man in India who has crossed Edison in filing patent. He has now been the one who has highest patent in the world. Just we don't know. That's the point.
so if you have knowledge about the nation, then only can you feel proud. Okay, so we have come to an end almost.
Yes, sir.
Conference.
Were you asked many questions in the conference?
No, sir. I was asked just 3 questions. Are you working? What work you have? And tell about your.
एक बात मैं कॉन्फ्रेंस के बारे में बतला दूं, बिकॉज मैं 5 साल कॉन्फ्रेंसेस कंडक्ट करता रहा हूं NSSB, राइट. इस पर मत जाइए कि मेरे पहले इतना समय लगा तब क्या होगा, मेरे बाद में हुआ तो क्या होगा. प्लीज डोंट गो विथ एनी PCK. व्हाट इज PCK? प्रीवियस कोर्स नॉलेज. कि अगर ऐसा होगा तो वैसा होगा. डोंट. दे आर वेरी वेरी good people sitting inside the conference, and they are the people from selection center.
Yeah.
If you get rejected, if you don't get recommended, it's your doing. They are out and out to recommend you. Did you pay 5 rupees to bribe anybody to get
No,
you?
sir. No.
Any
No, money is
amount
not
of-
allowed. Money.
Any amount of bribe is not going to work. This is the fairest of fair system in the country.
That's how our organization is known as.
All I want to tell you that Gurudeva Academy has produced 2100 and going. That is because we go into detail. We make you realize that ये एग्जामिनेशन के पहले गेस्ट पेपर और टेस्ट पेपर से नहीं सिलेक्ट होते. सेलेक्ट होते हैं ओरिजिनल बुक पढ़ने से, अपनी पूरी नॉलेज लाने से. And when you have knowledge, you have confidence.
Absolutely.
When you have-
doesn't come without knowledge.
Yes,
And
sir.
when you practice, you become perfect.
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
you have to practice everything number of times, and then only can you enjoy the fun of being the part of the elitist army.
Yes.
I'm so proud.
Elite armed forces.
I'm sure you're going to enjoy the Air Force,
Yes, sir. Definitely.
right? It is. China is surprised how Indian Air Force is number 3 in the world and they are number 4. जबकि उनके पास 200 एयरक्राफ्ट ज्यादा है. अबे it is not the
2000 कम से कम.
it is not the machine.
Everything.
It's the man. It's the
It's the
man.
man behind the weapon.
Yes.
So work hard and you will definitely win. Have confidence. You are elite because you are an Indian.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Beta.
Yes.
God bless you. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.